Hi, would you please update this sheet today? And what I mean by updating it is putting in there the last order of when we ordered. And I need you to keep this updated on a continual basis. So basically, every time we send you an order, you need to open this and fill it in here. So Acorn, if it's not in that other sheet where the log sheet, then what you could do is you could go to here. And I would go by date added, and then you'd see like, and then just sort it by that way. So you see like, okay, this one, the last one was done um, on October. I guess you'd probably go with the later date. This says October 21st, but this says October 24th. So then just go with October 24th. If you have any, so like, let me try another one here. Let's try Eurotards. Same thing as Euroskins. And let me see if there's another. Let me see if there's another folder for this. Oh, okay, so Euroskins order June 6th. So this looks like, for whatever reason, June 6th, but July 31st. So I would just put July 31st. And then, oh, well, all right. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.